Hello everyone, Peter here, Guys, today is a short video actually. If you want to know, this is a Samsung TV. Well, probably I've put it in the description. Samsung TV with flashing boot up screen, but doesn't power on completely. And you can see, well, you can't see the flashing smart here when it's blinking. I know, because I was trying to check on the camera if you can see it. But what you can see here is this red light. You see now it blinked, and every so often it will blink, yes, and blink and blink. No matter if I will press the power button at the back, it doesn't change a thing. Yes, it's still the same. So there are two types of faults which you can expect. One type of fault is just the power supply. It's just power supply dead. You could either replace the power supply or attempt a repair if you know what you're doing and you won't get killed. And second type of the repair is LEDs. Just LEDs. When you disconnect LEDs from the power supply, and you will see that TV will be okay on the LED over there, it will boot up, then you will know that might be a problem with LEDs. You can put your meter on 1000 DC, for instance, and you can check for voltage. Yes, voltage will come back, and now it's rubbish, like let's say it should be here 300 volts. Let's say it's showing, yes, and it's showing only you like 80 or something. Then you will know exactly that that's the LED's fault. Yes. Many times I had the issue with LEDs rather than with the power supply, and that's why I know it as a fact. Yes, but it's not always, and it's always best to check the power on LEDs. Yes, I mean on the outgoing connector. Where is my box? I will show you the box with the connector. Oh, now when I want to show you, I don't see it. I'll pause and I'll show you what type of connectors they are. Okay, so here I've got from LG TV. Yes, so this is this type of connector, and on some of those pins you should have proper voltage. With some of the TVs you will see as well some description of those pins and so on. On most you won't. But if you won't get proper voltage, you can even Google for schematics or something, and you can see what should be there. Yes, if you don't have proper voltage, and when you disconnect this cable here, yes, because that's the main connector to the TV, to the main board, but this one is to LEDs. When you disconnect it and the voltage is coming back and it's normal as it should be, because that should be peak time, so that should be bigger than you should have. Yes, but at the end of the day, when it's coming back and that LED is on, that's mean you can order LEDs most likely. Yes, well, if you want to risk it, you can risk it. You can open everything, and check, and you will see that LEDs are dying. There is a LEDs tester as well, which you can buy. It's not here to be true. They became cheap some time ago. I never bought it, to be true. I don't see a point in it for now. It was better to have it when you had LCD TVs. Now it's with LEDs, it's okay. And I could live without it anyway. When you plug in the power to LEDs, like when I've got power supply, yes, and when I'm trying and I see that it's zero current taken, that means it's a short in them, then I know, that's what's causing. And then when I see that when I'm disconnecting them from the TV, from the power supply, yes, and TV start to behave normally, then I know these are LEDs, and I don't have to go through hassle of opening it now, whereas I know this TV will will be waiting on LEDs. Yes, so that's how I'm making a test. Hopefully this video, although it's short, you have a value in it, and you know, you've learned something. If I will be doing this, that means if this will be a power supply fault and not LEDs, if I will open it, because that's the model, I think, without screws. Oh no, this one has screws. I'll unscrew it, and if I'll open it, and if this will be power supply, I will record another video just about diagnosis of the power supply, how I'm doing, yes, so that you can have more information what if that would be power supply. But at least you know how to test your LEDs, if they are fine, or this blinking logo and diode over there, yes, what can cause that. So hopefully you had some value out of this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.